Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Globein for July. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So Globein for July just arrived. They do send me this for review. So thank you so much, Globein, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now you guys know I love my Globein. I love how many different themes that they have to choose from. So there's always going to be something for everyone. If not for you, it's good for a gift, or you could skip it anytime as well. This theme, I'm super excited about the one that I chose, and I cannot wait to show you guys. Summer months bring summer type products, and I'm so excited. And one thing I do want to let you guys know is Globein actually just revamped their logo, and this is what they said about it. While we loved our previous logo, which was based on some of our favorite Moroccan dinner plates, it was time to refresh, to build a brand that represented our mission and who we are today. Globein's mission has been the same since the very beginning, when we set out to connect amazing global entrepreneurs to bigger markets for their products. Our new brand helps us represent this so much more by focusing on many of the things that matter most to us, like inclusivity, humanity, adaptability, and fun. So this is what it looks like. I'll show you a little picture here, but this is their new logo. I think this right here is super cute. It looks like a complete face, but it looks like two different things of like pottery. And I don't know, it just looks really cute. So there is their new name. So it won't be like this where it has the Globein in the cursive with the Moroccan plate. It's going to look like this now. And I think their new logo looks really neat. So I did want to let you guys know that there was that small little change, but it makes a big difference to them to change it up to represent what they're wanting to be and who, you know, who they are and what they're representing. So that's really neat. So let's get into this July box so you can see what I chose. And then you're going to be like, yep, that's Tracy. Like I said, and that's one thing that I really love is there's so many things to choose from. And if you got a box for yourself at one point, you could always choose it again if you wanted to give it as a gift. So I just love the different wide variety of products that they have to offer. Okay, so this one did not come with a card. You normally either have like a card with a little bit of information or their normal booklet, but since this is their one, probably a brand newly themed one, maybe they just don't have the booklet. But I did, when I chose it, I did screenshot, of course. I screenshotted information to show you guys for it anyways. So I just won't be able to read you everything. I'll just have to show you everything and tell you what all I know. So let's go ahead and get what the first item is down inside of this bag. I think if I remember correctly, this is a tablecloth. Look how pretty, look at the little fish. I believe this is like a tablecloth, like a runner. Yes. Okay, so it came with like this long, whoa, that is a good, whoa, look. Okay, so here's this, and me not moving it, it goes to here, and then grab to this hand, even to here. So that thing is really long. Can you see? It's really long. So it'll go for a long table, but that is really pretty. I like that. And it's definitely like summery, beachy. It has fish on it. I love the blues. Is there at least a tag in here? No. Sometimes there'll be like a tag of where it at least comes from, but I don't see anything in here. So I'll just have to be showing you on the side. So let's go with the second item is going to be down in here. And this is what I'm super excited about. So it's down inside of this, and this is a wind chime. And I believe these are like shells that they're made out of. I have one already that I purchased from their store I think it was like last summer. I purchased a few items from their shop, and I did get one or two. I think there was only one. And I think when I went to go back to get another one, because I wasn't sure how it was going to be. You know, when you're getting things online, it's hard to tell. But when I went back to order more, they were all sold out. And I was super bummed that I didn't just go with my gut and buy multiple. And I regret it. So when I saw this, I'm like, oh my gosh. I was so excited. So let's see if we can get this open without tangling it up. This is breathtaking. It is just, it has the teals and the blues. This literally just looks like beach shells. But, man, I wish they had at least the little paper in here so I could tell you where they're from. So this is what the wind chime looks like. That is so, I love those colors. And just listen. I'm so excited to get this wind chime. Like, I'll just sit here and stare at it all day. Don't mind me. Continue on. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. And this goes exactly with these colors. Let me set that there. Ooh. Okay, so we have one more item that is down in this box. It says fragile. And yeah, I'm not sure where I can't remember what this part is. It has a lot of recycled paper in here for the stuffing. Now I remember. This whole thing was like a beach theme. This is a shell, like little vase. And oh my gosh. I don't know if I want to put like those little spriggy little, like little airy, I don't know what they're called, those little wispy tail things to put in here. I don't know if I want to, I don't think I want to do flowers. I think I want to keep this more like a natural, like either like woody things, and I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I have an amazing person who got me a gift card for Michael's. So I'm going to go to Michael's this weekend and I'm going to find something to put in here. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but this is so pretty. And of course, this is, I wish I knew where this was made, but these are probably all handmade like everything else. The inside does have a shiny, like a lacquer. So you probably could use this as an actual vase and put water in it, because the inside, I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, it is shiny. The outside has like this unfinished type feel to it, but the inside does have shininess. It's like finished inside there, I believe. So there's that. The bottom is just like that, the sides, and you got the hole. But isn't that so pretty? So you have the shell, you have the wind chime, and then you have the table runner, tablecloth, or you can, I mean, you could do with anything. You have a fabric that you can use for anything. So this box is super cute. Oh, I think on the side of the box, it did say something about seaside, summerside, beachside. I don't know, some kind of side, I think. It said, oh, Seaside Box. Yeah, anything with beach, give it to me. Give it to me. Give me some more. Give me some more. So I am so excited for this particular box, you guys. It was so cute, and it's even prettier in person. I mean, the pictures, like I said, the pictures sell me every time. But when you get it in your hand, it's breathtaking. And the way that they make their like hand-blown glass stuff, oh my gosh. Let me go ahead and unwrap all of these. Yeah, so I got some little shot glasses and other glasses to match. So hold on. So they had it in bubble wrap, and they're even wrapped in, they attention to all of their packaging. Nothing has ever came broken. I don't think anything has ever broke, but they do good with their packaging. And then the two glasses came wrapped like this. Okay, guys, so now that I've unwrapped them all, because they do so good wrapping, these are the two stemless wine glasses. I only bought 2 of these. I might pick up 2 more, or I think they have another set. Again, you can always curate different sets based on if you want to collect more items, because I think there is a box that comes with 2 of these. I'm going to look into if they do. If not, I'm going to probably buy 2 more of these next time. but here's the two. It's called Colorful. So if you go to their shop and you just go in the search bar and just put in colorful, it'll come up with all of the colorful designs. So I have the pitcher, I have those tall drinking glasses that I absolutely love, and then the wine glasses. So now I have two stemless wine glasses, and I topped it off with some shot glasses. These I bought 4. So here's the shot glasses. These right here were $17 each, and again I bought 2. And then the shot glasses were $9 each. I bought 4. So I spent $70 on these 6 pieces, and it's so worth it. I absolutely love the hand blown stuff. These were all hand blown and made in Mexico. And then here is the design. So one thing that I really like is they're all going to be completely different because they're all handmade. So although they look the same, they match the same, but they're not 100% the same. The color markings are completely like a little bit different, and I absolutely love that. So again, I wanted to show you what I purchased because you don't have to just do a subscription. You can purchase directly from their shop if you would like. So there's that. So if you want a little bit more information about Globein, I will let you know right about now. So I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty. That'll get you 50% off your first month's box on a 3-month subscription or higher. So 3-month subscription, the box is $40 each. If you do a 6-month subscription, it brings that box down to $37. And if you do a whole 12 months, it brings it to $35. Every month, you get to select a unique box containing 3 to 5 handcrafted items ethically sourced from artists and creators around the world. And I really, really love that because they are literally bringing us a world experience in what people make that we would never, ever know about if it wasn't for this box. And with them having so many different themed boxes, there's always going to be something, or again, you can pause or cancel at any given time. Their mission is to deliver joy by empowering and connecting remarkable remote artisans to mindful customers, and they definitely do. We help our customers discover amazing goods in distant lands from the comfort of their home. Through our delightful, useful, and vibrant goods, we offer our customers the means to feel well-traveled and culturally experienced. For our artisans in the developing world, we give their business global reach as we connect them to customers to share their extraordinary creations and inspiring stories. So that is everything that I have to tell you about Globein. That is the July box that I chose. It was again the Seaside Box. I think that was an amazing, amazing box. So go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that came in this box? What did you think of the one that I chose? Isn't that just so me? What do you think of the different pieces that I bought to add to my others that I have? I love it. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.